Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to make a professional mail ID. So let's start. If you want to create it, I recommend you to use Easy Mails. If you want to create a business, a professional email and only use at gmail.com or something like that, you can use info at your company name. And this is important to look professional as business, because if you want to turn a company, you really want to have a business email. So here on Easy Mail, just scroll down and you will find here the packages. Here on packages you will find mailer, basic website, standard website, premium website, but I recommend you this one that is mailer. This is for $2.99 per month. But not only that guys, if you click on the link below, you will get 80% off from this final price. So also we give you the 30-day money back guarantee. That is amazing. Just click here on order and you will find here the benefits that appeal you Easy Mails. For example, secure checks, leaves in 2 minutes, monthly cancellation, as I told you, 30-day money back guarantee, and 2 mailboxes. Now just click here on order now. But before that, it's important to know that if you want to get the email address, you will get in 2 minutes or less. And also if you want to have support, you can get easily and quickly. So now just click on order now, and here on order now you find here the payment page. Here you find the final price, but as I told you, we have the promotion code that is how to. Just write it and just apply, and you will find here the 80% off for a month. Then just write here your email address and the email address to be, in this case your company email address, your card information, your number, month and year and CVC, and your cardholder name, as well as select your country and region. And then if you want to save your information here for future payment, you can select, or if you prefer not select, it's okay. So now just subscribe, and that's it guys. This is how you can start using and get your mail ID easily. Well guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us thumbs up to this video.